guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the braiding edition. We're going to be using the Bohemian Passion Twist to achieve the half up and half down style. I'm sure by now you guys have seen these styles trending. So we start with freshly washed hair, and it's up to you to stretch the hair either with heat, flat iron, anyhow you choose before braiding. But for the sake of today's video, I will not be stretching the hair. I decided to just get started. For the cornrow portion of this style, you can create any design of your choice. You could use something that you've seen on the internet, or you could come up with something. Remember, anything is a style as long as you love it and you're comfortable. Something else to keep in mind when you're cornrolling your hair, regardless of the hairstyle, is to be mindful of your edges. Guys, make sure that the hairstyle or the braid is not too tight to the point that your edges begin to fall out. It is better you leave your baby hair alone and lay it down with edge control than pulling it so tight that it begins to fall out. You could braid as much as you want. You could make the cornrows tinier, you could make them bigger. So at this point, I am done braiding the cornrows. This is what it looks like. Again, this is my first time doing the half up and half down. This is the design that we came up with. Now we are going to go into the portion of just finishing the remainder of the hair, which is the back. Now this portion of the braid, nobody's gonna see it, right? Because it's going to be covered with the crochet braids. So you don't really have to worry too much about this portion of the braid. All you have to do is just finish it and make sure no hair is left out. Now we begin crocheting. For those that have longer hair, you want to make sure that you crochet the remainder part inside, so when they're taking down the hair, they do not accidentally cut their hair. After hiding the remaining of the hair strand, we're now going to actually begin crocheting in the Bohemian Passion Twist. Now the beautiful thing about this hair is that you don't really have to use the Passion Twist. You could use kinky curls, you could use curly hair, you could use full locks, you could use anything of your choice, any hair of your choice. That's the beautiful thing about this. So because we are starting with the crochet, what I do is, this was a mistake I used to make in the past. I focus on filling in the back portion of the hair, that when I got to the front of the hair, I already ran out of crochet hair. So what I would advise you guys to do, especially with this hairstyle, is focus on filling in just the first roll in the back, right? So that way, if your client or if you want to pull it up in a ponytail, it is not obvious that it is crochet, right? People will think that it is actually your hair, especially because of the cornrows in the front. So once you fill in that first roll in the back, then you go to the middle a little bit and you fill in the middle, then focus on the front, which is what a lot of people are going to be seeing. But to avoid all these problems, you can buy much more packs, right? But in the summertime, you don't want a lot of hair. If you're someone that's very active, you don't want to put so much hair, because then it will begin to smell. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can always change out the extension that you use. So for example, if you have this Bohemian Passion Twist in for 2 weeks and you're tired of that look, you can always switch it out to another type of hair, either the kinky or the full locks. This hair can last about 1 month if you take very good care of it. Just keep in mind that with hairstyles like this, the older it gets, the more natural it begins to look. After conrolling the first roll of this hair, I decided to go side by side, just making sure that everything is filled in the way it's supposed to. I'm not too worried about the back, because after I finish focusing on the front, if any other hair is remaining, then I go back to the back to fill everything in. It took about 1 hour 30 minutes for everything to be done. Honestly, it can take you less time if you're already experienced in braiding cornrows and creating different designs. After I was done crocheting the back, I started filling in everything, filling in the front. Something to keep in mind is that when you crochet in a passion twist or any other type of twist, you can always open it up, brush it out a tiny bit just to give it that fuller look. This brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you've attempted this hairstyle and what's your take on it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.